What if we told you that the movie you watched last night might have had a digital assistant as a part of its crew? Yes, you heard it right. Artificial intelligence, the buzzword of the 21st century, has been sneaking onto the sets of Hollywood and beyond for quite some time. Its debut was humble, with early applications mainly focusing on animation and visual effects. Remember the stunningly realistic creatures in the early 2000s? Well, that was AI dipping its toes into the vast ocean of filmmaking. As technology evolved, so did AI's role, transforming from a mere special effects tool to a complex storyteller, a meticulous editor, and a creative designer. It's not just about making things look good anymore. It's about making them feel real, authentic, and engaging. The film industry has indeed started to embrace AI, but how exactly is it being utilized? Let's delve into that next. Remember the de-aging of Robert De Niro in The Irishman or the lifelike creatures of The Mandalorian? Yes, that's AI at work. Let's dive deeper into these case studies and see the magic AI is creating in the film industry. First, let's look at the film The Irishman. In this film, AI was used to de-age Robert De Niro and Al Pacino, allowing them to play their characters at different ages throughout the film. This was done using a process known as digital de-aging, which involves capturing the actor's performance and then using AI algorithms to adjust their appearance in post-production. This technology can create a more realistic and engaging viewing experience, as it allows actors to play their characters at different ages without requiring makeup or prosthetics. Next, we have the series The Mandalorian. AI was used to create lifelike creatures and environments, enhancing the visual appeal and immersiveness of the series. The creators used AI algorithms to generate realistic textures and movements for the creatures, as well as to create vast, detailed environments. This kind of AI application brings a new level of realism to the screen, making the viewer feel as if they are part of the story. Moving on to The Matrix Resurrections, AI was heavily involved in creating the film's complex visual effects. The film's creators used AI to simulate physics, generate realistic lighting and shadows, and create intricate details in the film's many action sequences. This use of AI not only made these sequences more visually stunning, but also allowed the filmmakers to create scenes that would have been impossible to film using traditional methods. Last but not least, let's talk about Avatar: The Way of Water. This film uses AI to create an astonishing underwater world. The filmmakers used AI to simulate water physics, generate realistic aquatic creatures, and create the illusion of characters moving through water. This use of AI allowed the filmmakers to create an immersive underwater world that is both visually stunning and believable. These examples illustrate how AI is revolutionizing the film industry. AI is being used to create more realistic special effects, smoother animation, and even more complex stories. But it's not just about making things look better. AI is also helping filmmakers tell more complex and engaging stories by allowing them to create scenes and effects that would have been impossible to achieve using traditional methods. Impressive, isn't it? But as with every technology, AI brings its own set of challenges to the table. AI might be transforming the film industry, but it's not without its own set of hurdles. Let's pivot our lens to the challenges that come with integrating AI into the realm of film. First up, cost. AI technology is expensive to develop and implement. Incorporating AI into the production process can significantly increase the budget of a film, making it a less feasible option for smaller production houses or indie filmmakers. Next, we have accuracy. While AI can create stunningly realistic visual effects, it's not foolproof. Mistakes can occur, leading to inaccuracies in the final output. A minor glitch can result in a major setback, requiring more time and resources to rectify. And then, there's the elephant in the room: ethical concerns. The use of AI brings up questions around bias and discrimination. For instance, if an AI is trained on a dataset that lacks diversity, it could create biased characters or storylines. There are also concerns about AI potentially replacing human jobs in the industry, from stunt doubles to scriptwriters. Moreover, the use of AI to de-age actors or recreate deceased ones raises questions about consent and authenticity. Is it ethical to manipulate an actor's appearance or performance without their explicit approval? Despite these challenges, the potential of AI in the film industry is undeniable. So, what does the future hold? While we can't predict the future, we can certainly speculate based on current trends. The role of AI in the film industry is expanding at a rapid pace. With advancements in technology, we're seeing AI being leveraged to create more advanced special effects and animations, develop complex storytelling, and even predict audience reactions. Imagine a world where AI creates hyper-realistic animations that blur the lines between the virtual and real world, or where AI algorithms create intricate plot lines that keep audiences on the edge of their seats. It's not too far-fetched, is it? Moreover, AI could be used to streamline the film production process, making it more efficient and cost-effective. Machine learning algorithms could automate tasks such as scriptwriting, casting, and editing, freeing up filmmakers to focus on the creative aspects of the film. AI could also revolutionize the way we interact with films. Augmented reality and virtual reality powered by AI could allow audiences to immerse themselves in the film's universe, providing a whole new level of engagement. However, with these exciting prospects come challenges. As we rely more on AI, ethical considerations such as biases in AI algorithms and the impact of automation on jobs become increasingly important. The future of AI in film is an exciting prospect. The day might not be far when AI becomes an integral part of every film production, creating experiences beyond our wildest imaginations.